My name is Ryder Johnson and I'm a student at the Campbell County Tech Center. At our home schools, we have an option, if our grades are good enough and our attendance, to come here for our junior and senior year, and they offer like trades and early college and stuff like that. I found out about this program from students and teachers. It's just a chance to get out of the classroom and do real hands-on work and like actually get experience in the field, and you can kind of select, and there's tests and certifications you can get throughout it, and it really sets you up for success in life. There's a lot of great people here. The teachers are always welcoming and willing to teach you and help you, and getting the hands-on experience is nice for a lot of kids who don't have the chance. So you can actually like work on cars and understand, because I mean, anybody can learn through a book, but it's different when you actually know how to do it. Before this class, I had only really worked on cars here and there. Really, when I started driving, when I got my license, I kind of started taking interest in cars, just how interesting and how much there really is to them. And then I came to this class and it was just unlocked that much more for me, like showing me that you can do all your own work. Like if you're willing to learn and you just have ready to attack mindset, like it's not that hard. Through this program, we're working towards a lot of our ASE certifications, and I'm earning a lot of them, and as well as my state inspections license. When I get out in the field and I'm after high school, I already have some knowledge, so I already have a head start, and I'm just ready to, I already know the flow of the automotive field, and I'm just ready to go ahead and get to work. I got an apprenticeship with Terry Subaru. They come over here quite often and talk to us, and they were telling us how they were offering an apprenticeship and through high school. So when we get out of school, we can go full-time and we already have a job after school. And it's a great program because they also pay to send us to school. So I'm getting a lot of free knowledge, obtaining as much as I can. And it's also just a good career. There's always going to be things that need to be fixed on cars. And cars teach you a lot more than just cars. Like there's electrical in cars, there's plumbing in cars, there's mechanical stuff in cars. So it's really just a good field to learn.